In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste data into Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to the specific sheet where you want your information to go. Before pasting anything, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct sheet and that you know exactly where the new data should begin. This helps prevent placing content in the wrong section and saves time fixing mistakes later. Next, copy the data from your source. This might be an Excel file, another Smartsheet, or a different location where your information is stored. As you copy, it's a good idea to quickly review the data so you know how many rows and columns you're bringing over. That makes it easier to place everything accurately once you return to Smartsheet. After that, click the first cell where you want the pasted data to start. This step is important because Smartsheet will use that selected cell as the top left starting point for everything you paste. In other words, the full block of data will expand from that cell across rows and columns, so make sure you choose the correct starting position. Once the correct cell is selected, paste the data using Ctrl+V if you're on Windows or Command+V if you're on a Mac. In many cases, the information will drop right into the sheet and keep the row and column structure from the original source. If your data is organized cleanly, this process is usually very quick. If the paste does not work properly, the first thing to check is whether the columns in Smartsheet match the data you're trying to paste. For example, if the source has more columns than the destination area can support, or if the data is arranged differently, the paste may not land the way you expect. Verifying the layout ahead of time can help avoid misalignment. If you still run into issues, remove special formatting from the copied content, or try pasting plain text instead. Sometimes formatting from spreadsheets or external tools can interfere with how data appears in Smartsheet. Using plain text can help preserve the values without bringing in unwanted styles or formatting problems. Finally, save your work and review the pasted data carefully. Look through the rows and columns to make sure everything is in the right place, that nothing shifted unexpectedly, and that the content appears as intended. A quick review at the end is a simple but important step that helps ensure your sheet stays organized and accurate.